Sri Singh Sahib Pai Sahib Harbhajan Singh Khalsa Yogi Ji, born in Khatripuri family of Gujranwala, now in Pakistan, on August 26, 1929.
No, I never knew him, but he knew me.
Yogi Ji had his education in a Catholic convent school and played hockey in such a forceful way, which earned him the nickname China Wall. It was his excellence shown in the school time debates and his oratory skills with which he won the hearts of people in the Western Hemisphere. I have come here to create teachers, not to gain students, was the slogan he gave to the West. 16 years of age, he will become a master of Kundalini Yoga students, and it culminated into conversion of thousands of Americans and other Western people to the fold of Sikhism. He also taught them Punjabi and initiated them to read the holy Sikh scripture Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. This endeavor further followed to the recitation of Kirtan in the Rags music style mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib. He went to Canada in the year 1968 to teach yoga to the students at Toronto University. From there, he traveled to Los Angeles, California, armed with the message of Guru Nanak and being the master of Kundalini Yoga. Yogi Ji gave solace to people who were addicted to drugs and were seeking a new path in their lives. Today, there are over 300 centers worldwide spread over 35 countries. In 1994, 3HO became a member in UNO in a consultative status with the Economical and Social Council and providing education in alternative systems of medicine. Yogi Ji's message was loud and clear. It is your birthright to be healthy, happy and holy. Yogi Ji started International Peace Prayer Day celebrations in New Mexico in 1985. And to this day it is celebrated every year in New Mexico in the month of June. People from all over the world attended this event in large numbers, including government officials from New Mexico and other states. He established many corporations including Golden Temple Foods, Akal Security and Yogi Tea, providing employment to thousands of people. Yogi Ji established Miri Piri Academy, a Sikh boarding school at the birthplace of Guru Hargobind Sahib in Guru Ki Wadali, near Chehata in the district of Amritsar, with the sole purpose to train students in their formative years in Sikh lifestyle. His dynamic presence always dominated the gatherings, including events at international gatherings with heads of states. Though he was a fearless and outspoken person, yet he was humble with charming and daunting characteristics. He was awarded Panth Ratan, the highest award of Sikh religion, in 1999 at Takhat Sri Kesgarh Sahib, Anandpur Sahib.
Back to me. He found me when I was lost like never before.
Yogi Ji also visited Takht Sri Hazur Sahib with hundreds of followers from Western hemispheres.
Infinity.